In 2024, the market is flooded with exceptional OLED laptops, each offering unique strengths and weaknesses. Today, we'll delve into three popular contenders: the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED, the Zenbook 14X OLED, and the Acer Swift X14. Which one should you choose? Watch till the end to discover the clear winner, and look for product links in the description below. The Asus Vivobook S14 OLED is a compelling option for users seeking a balance of style, performance, and long-lasting battery life. This sleek and compact laptop boasts a premium all-metal design that feels both sturdy and luxurious. The color scheme is a refreshing departure from the sea of gray notebooks, with a sleek black finish accented by chrome etching for a touch of pizzazz. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch. The hinge design minimizes wasted space while offering a sturdy hold on the display, preventing unwanted wobble. The display itself is a highlight, featuring a 14-inch OLED panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The visuals are stunning, with vivid colors, inky blacks, and excellent contrast thanks to 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and a peak brightness of 600 nits. This makes the laptop ideal for both content creation and media consumption. However, the refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz, which may not be ideal for users seeking the smoothest visuals for fast-paced games or scrolling. The audio experience is decent, with downward-firing speakers that can get loud, but their positioning can be easily muffled when using the laptop on your lap. Connectivity options are plentiful, with two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 connector, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm combo jack. This allows you to connect a variety of peripherals without needing additional adapters. The laptop also features an IR camera for Windows Hello facial recognition and a full HD webcam for video calls. While the webcam offers decent image quality, it lacks the advanced features found in Windows Studio Effects, although ASUS provides similar functionalities through its My ASUS app. The keyboard is a delight to use, with well-spaced keys that offer excellent travel and RGB backlighting with customizable lighting effects. The trackpad is spacious and smooth, providing a comfortable user experience for multi-finger gestures and clicks. Under the hood, it is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5X memory and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. While not the most powerful option in the market, this configuration delivers capable performance for everyday tasks like browsing, using productivity applications, and even some light gaming. The laptop efficiently manages heat dissipation, keeping the device cool even under demanding workloads. The most impressive aspect of the Vivobook S14 OLED might be its battery life. The laptop can easily last for around 6 hours on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for extended use on the go. The ASUS Zenbook line offers a variety of laptops in different shapes and sizes. This review focuses on the Zenbook 14X OLED Q420. This version trades the discrete GPU for a 13th Gen Core i7 H-series CPU, resulting in a significant price reduction while maintaining a lightweight build and stunning OLED display. It boasts a super slim and portable design, weighing just 3.44 pounds and measuring 0.67 by 12.7 by 8.9 inches. This makes it ideal for tossing in a bag and working on the go. Despite its affordability, the laptop retains a high-end look and feels comfortable to hold. One of the main attractions of the Zenbook 14X is its 14.5-inch OLED display. This vibrant panel features a 2880 by 1800 pixel resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and touch capability, making it perfect for content creation and entertainment on the go. The OLED technology delivers brilliant colors and exceptional contrast for a truly immersive viewing experience. In terms of ports, it offers a good selection for its size. On the left, you'll find a USB Type-A port, while the right side boasts two Thunderbolt 4 connections, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. This ensures compatibility with a diverse array of peripherals and external displays. It is equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H processor, 16 GB of memory, and a 512 GB SSD. This configuration delivers strong performance for everyday tasks like browsing, using productivity applications, and even some light gaming. While it may not be the fastest laptop on the market, it offers a significant speed boost compared to the AMD-based Zenbook 14. However, Unlike the previous Zenbook 14X model, the Q420 utilizes integrated graphics instead of a discrete GPU. This is the main reason for the lower price point, and for users who don't require significant graphics processing power, this configuration proves quite appealing. It delivers decent battery life, making it a reliable companion for extended use on the go. The OLED display showcases a broad color gamut, ensuring vibrant visuals. While OLED panels typically don't reach the peak brightness of other display types, the Zenbook 14X Q420 screen remains sufficiently bright for everyday use. The Acer Swift X14 is a 14-inch laptop designed for content creators seeking a powerful yet portable device. This year's model features an Intel Core Ultra processor and an optional RTX 4070 GPU, offering a significant upgrade over its predecessor. While the design remains unchanged from last year, the improved internals make the Swift X14 a compelling option for those who prioritize performance and a stunning display. It features a sleek aluminum chassis that feels sturdy and durable. However, it may not be as rigid as some other premium laptops. The plastic display bezels give it a slightly less premium look compared to those laptops. It offers strong performance thanks to its Core Ultra processor and RTX 4070 GPU. While it didn't show significant performance gains in application benchmarks compared to its 13th gen Intel predecessor, it excels in graphics-intensive tasks. The RTX 4070 GPU delivers impressive results in 3D Mark and GFX benchmarks, outperforming laptops with RTX 4050 or 4060 graphics. However, the RTX 4070 in the Swift X14 is set to run at a lower wattage than in gaming laptops, which can affect its overall performance in demanding games. The laptop's focus is on content creation and multimedia tasks, where the RTX 4070 provides ample power. It offers decent battery life thanks to the efficient Core Ultra processor. It can last for around 8.5 hours on online streaming, which is a reasonable result for an OLED laptop. The OLED display is a standout feature of the Swift X14. It offers excellent color accuracy, deep blacks, and a high contrast ratio. The 2.8K resolution ensures sharp and detailed visuals, while the 120Hz refresh rate provides smooth motion for videos and games. In the battle of the OLED laptops, the Asus Vivobook S14 OLED emerges as the clear winner for most users. It offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and long-lasting battery life. While the Zenbook 14X OLED provides a similar experience with a focus on portability, the Vivobook S14 OLED's balance of features makes it a more versatile choice. The Acer Swift X14, on the other hand, is a powerful option for content creators who prioritize high-end graphics performance, but it comes with a higher price tag and a less premium design. Ultimately, the ideal choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, the types of tasks you'll be performing, and the importance of factors like design and battery life. By carefully evaluating these aspects, you can confidently select the OLED laptop that best suits your requirements.